Baby HQ starts here.
Squeak approved.
No deep drama. Blueprint. Modern art. Chef of safety. Net and yes. Balling a no.
Not that kind of line.
No watch corners.
Smiley. Buried alive.
Weatherproof.
Soft edges only. No pinchies. Good. Oh.
Panel install.
Abstract fixed. Abstract's fixed.
Beep. Baby ready.
Only baby. Abstract banana accepted.
Slip test passed.
The audio features an enthusiastic monkey vocalization that translates to bumpers for all. Water attacked me.
Two planks, hero.
One at a time. Smooth as banana.
I am Roofman.
Spring collection, shingles.
Roof music. Mint nose approved.
Blink, ON.
No toy stealing.
Grand opening-ish. Net fights back.
Not a drinking game.
Peekaboo, Foreman.
Push.
Baby speed. Starfoot signature.
Snack time! Snack time!
One squeak, only one.
Quiet.
Luxury. No sharp stuff. Dance move. Planned. No belly racing. I am solar now. Small cup, big boy. Water juggling later. I'm center. Always. Wind. Stand down. Shh.
Gate too strong. And then banana DND. My toy trapped forever.
Promise.
Slow clap, buddy.
I run this nursery. I run this nursery.
Good night, baby house.
Nice try.
Tomorrow, snacks.
I am baby now.
Farewell, sweet house. Proved. Baby ready.
Okay, done.
Polite. Ow, polite. Plush only.
Lamp.
Lamp. Very lamp. That was a whisper. Slow steps, tiny toes. Quiet clap. See? Silent squeak. Behold. Not everything is you. No stealing, chef. One, two, banana. No teeth tools.
Oops, clean smile.
Meep roar scary.
Tail is finger now.
invisible.
We did it! Quietly!
Squeon. Sorry.
New dragon.
And holy!
I got baby 5.
Come back soon, tiny bosses.
Stop, leaf vacuum. I choose silence. Mostly.
Best crew.
Best nursery! Subscribe!
Subscribe for more builds.